How to add a GitHub bot on Discord. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. First things first, you want to open up your Discord application, and once inside, just go ahead and open up the server that you want to add the bot into. And from there, you want to click on the name of the server, click on server settings, and from here you want to click on integrations. Navigate through webhooks, click on create webhook. From here, just go ahead and click on this option, rename the bot to any name you want to, and from here you want to click on the save changes. Right after that, click on copy webhook URL, and you then want to navigate through your GitHub account. Once inside, click on the repository that you want to add the bot into. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on this specific repository right here, and once inside, click on settings. Under the code and automation, we then have our webhooks. Just go ahead and click on it, click on add webhook, and from here you want to paste the text that we have copied from Discord. To the content type, you can just go ahead and click on it, and you want to select the application/JSON. Click on send me everything, and you want to click on add webhook. Right after that, you should be good to go. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.